Last year, an earthquake occurred off the coast of Japan at 14:46 on Friday, 11th March 2011. The Tohoku earthquake had an epicenter of around 43 miles. The quake occurred east of the Oshika Peninsula. The Tohoku earthquake was the strongest earthquake ever to hit Japan and one of the 5 strongest earthquakes in the world to this date. Tohoku earthquake triggered a powerful tsunami that reached heights of up to 133 feet and traveled up to 6 miles inland. The earthquake was so strong that it shifted the Earth's axis by around 10 to 25 centimeters. The Tohoku earthquake caused many nuclear accidents, such as the Level 7 meltdowns. The tsunami caused the deaths of thousands of people and is to blame for billions of dollars in property damage.
Seismology is the study of earthquakes and the spread of seismic waves through and around the Earth. Seismic waves are waves of energy caused by the sudden breaking of rock within the Earth. There are 2 main types of seismic waves: body waves and surface waves. Body waves are waves that travel through the middle of the Earth and arrive at a location before the surface waves. There are 2 types of body waves: P waves and S waves. P waves are primary waves, also the fastest form of seismic waves. P waves are also known as compressional waves because of how they push and pull. S waves are secondary waves, which are slower than P waves and can only move through solid rock. Surface waves have a much lower frequency than body waves and are nearly entirely responsible for the damage caused by earthquakes. There are also 2 types of surface waves: love waves and Rayleigh waves. Love waves only move across the surface of the Earth and produce horizontal motion. Rayleigh waves roll along the ground and move the ground up, down, and side to side in the same direction of the wave. Most shaking from an earthquake is due to a Rayleigh wave.
On Friday, March 11th, 2011, a magnitude 9.0 megathrust earthquake triggered the massive tsunami. The quake originated 32 kilometers below sea level, just off the west coast of Japan, near Sendai. The shaking lasted a total of 6 minutes, reaching its max acceleration of 3 Gs and its maximum intensity of 9. On March 9th, the first foreshock was recorded at 7.2, followed by 2 more on the day of the tsunami, reaching magnitudes of over 6.0. There were over 1,200 aftershocks recorded, with over 800 reaching magnitudes of 4.5 or greater. The ancient Japanese had their own seismic scale. Based on the human perception of the quaking, the Shindo scale goes from 0 to 7, with 7 being the strongest. The earthquake in March of 2011 would be classified as a 7.